Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video series on data science. In this video, we will be discussing about the step 2 of data science process, that is data collection. In this session, we will discuss the significance of collecting high quality data, types of data, data sources, data collection methods, with some practical examples. High quality data and relevant data is crucial for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of any data driven project. High quality data reduces noise and errors, leading to more robust and valid insights. Relevant data ensures that the analysis directly addresses the problem at hand, allowing for better decision making and more meaningful conclusions. In data science, the quality and relevance of your data significantly impact the performance of the models. There are three types of data: structured, semi structured, and unstructured. You can encounter any type of data when doing a project. Structured data is the data that is stored in a structured manner or in a tabular form, like in SQL databases. Semi structured data that has some structure, but most of its contents are unstructured, like XML and JSON. Unstructured data has no proper format. For example, images, videos, and free text. There are two types of data sources: internal and external. If the dataset in which you are interested is available in your organization's database, you can collect it from here. But if that is not the case, then you have to approach some external organizations to collect that data. There is another method that is called market research or surveys, where you have to create a questionnaire and you send it to hundreds of thousands of people and then you collect the data through it. You can also collect the data from publicly available platforms like Kaggle and UCI. Social media data could be collected through the APIs that they provide, like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Another method is called web scraping, that you can collect the data from the page source, that is HTML, of a website. In this course, we will be focusing on publicly available datasets and web scraping. There are various open data platforms that are available. Some of them I have listed here. I would recommend to use Kaggle and UCI machine learning repository to collect your data. And shortly we will have a short demo on how to collect the data from these two platforms. Here is a short demo to demonstrate you how to collect the data from Kaggle. You simply have to go to www.kaggle.com/datasets, and here you can see a website, that is Kaggle. You can see a diverse range of datasets on this website. Not only datasets, but this website also hosts different competitions. People upload their models, their code, they discuss the issues that they're facing, and so on. You can apply different filters to narrow down your search and collect your relevant dataset. Let's suppose I am interested in finding brain MRI images. So I will just type here brain tumor MRI. And I will click search. So I got 154 datasets, and you can see that how many upvotes are here, what is the size of dataset, when the dataset was uploaded. So all this information you can collect here. Let's click on the first result, and here you will see the details of the dataset. How many folders are there, how many classes are there. So there are 4 folders, which means 4 classes, 3 different types of tumors, and 1 class of no tumor. There are different number of images in each folder, you can see that. So that's how you can just click on download. Sometimes you have to sign into your account in order to download the datasets. Here is a short demo on how to collect the data from UCI machine learning repository. Just write UCI ML repository on the search engine and you will find the first result of UCI machine learning repository website. The good thing about this is there are a lot of filters. For example, I want a specific data type, for example, text data type. The subject area that I want is, let's say, healthcare, and the task that I am interested in is classification. The features, you can also limit the number of features. Let's say I want less than 10 features. Number of records, let's say I need more than 1000 records. The feature type, I need mixed features. And so there are different features. By applying these different features, we have a result. So now we can click on this result and we can see that the details of instances, features, the dataset information, all you can see here. So different feature information, what is the data type of the feature, and so on. And you can just click on download to download this dataset easily. One more interesting thing, that you can import the dataset in Python easily. You have to install the UCI ML repo package, and then there's a simple code to import the dataset of your interest from that particular library. So it will make your task more easier. In this session, we discussed significance of high quality data. We discussed different type of data, that is structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. We discussed the different type of sources, internal and external, and what are the different kinds of external sources. We discussed the data collection methods. We discussed how to collect the data from publicly available platform, and with practical demos. In the coming lecture, we will be discussing about web scraping. So thank you for your time and see you in the next video.